automatic emails are being sent and your phone number, fax number, email, and name are being inserted. So to make sure that we're using the proper information and it doesn't come through with just this, if you don't have anything inputted, it'll show just assigned to fax. It looks funky. From any page on here, doesn't matter which one of these you're in, come up to My Settings and make sure that your email address is correct here, that this is your email address. Add your phone number if you want to get some text just from the system. This won't share your cell phone number with any customers, but you want to go ahead and enable your cell phone number and get this text. Add your phone number, whatever number that you want to be seen in your emails, and then add your fax number. Right now this is our fax number, 800-808-0481. And then if you'd like, you can put an email signature in here. Some of these custom templates that Mo has put together and Matt has done for us use this signature, so go ahead and put your email signature in here.